In this video, we'll talk about affiliate programs. I will discuss some situations that you can use. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Affiliate program agreement, when do you need it? Think about it for a second. If you are becoming part of Twitch or a big platform, most time you need to look into the condition or the requirement, and when you meet the requirements, then you can get the contract and you can sign the contract, and then you are affiliate. It happens with a lot of companies. You will get a contract and then you will sign it. Yeah. So how does it work? Most of the time you have a person, and the person look on the website, and on the website you will find the requirements to become part of affiliate. When you meet those requirements, you fill the form in. So let's say here, you fill the form in, you put your information in it, and when you put your information in it, it will go to the company. They will do a check, and if you meet the requirements, you will get access to a backend. A backend is like a system where they can show you, okay, this is your cookie or your link. When people click that link and you arrive on their website or on their shop, and they order something, you have proof that you will get a commission. So let's say you have a link here, and that link you will post it, let's say on the beneath every video or in your blog post. So we have a video, blog post, or other stuff online, and every time someone click on it, it will go to that system, and in that system you will get to see, okay, someone made it this far, they order something, you get commission. Someone made it this far, they didn't order something but they order something else, you can get commission for it. A company that does it really well is Amazon. So in Amazon you have a backend, you can see how far people go, and if you meet the requirements, you can get an affiliate link. That's technically how it works. This is from the perspective if you want to participate in an affiliate program. Yeah, and most of the time here, when you meet the requirements, you get an agreement. Yeah, so here you get an agreement from the company. So you and the company, you have an agreement, and based on that, you will see how the affiliate work. Yeah, that's technically how it works if you want to become part of an affiliate program. The thing is, it's the opposite. It's the opposite way. If you look at the moment when you are the company and you're offering affiliate programs. So let's say your company, you offer affiliate programs to your loyal customers. They can earn money from it. You can do that. You can make sure that they meet your requirements. You can put a form on the website, and if they meet the requirements, you will give them a contract. So this is the contract, and when they sign the contract, technically they have an affiliate agreement with you. The only problem is most time it's easy to get the affiliate program, but it's hard to have an own system, and most time you need to find a lot the correct service provider, and it's not that easy, but it's also not that difficult. But if you find the correct service provider, you can implement this thing into your online system or your company. So let's say you want to create an affiliate program and you need a system. You can find an online system. In my other channel, I will talk more about this, how you can get the best affiliate system. But when you get a system, you can implement it in here in your company, and based on that, you can give them commission when they do something for you. So that's technically it when you look at the agreement. So this is from the part when you participate in an agreement program. This is from the part when you create one. Keep that in mind. If you have question about it, just go in the link in the description and ask me a question on a Discord, so in the Law Center. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Keep in mind that it's easy to create one, but it's hard to maintain. Yeah, I'll see you guys next video.